Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve Deccan Herald newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 8, 2022 hard Sudoku. Sixth row, 3 numbers are remaining 169, column B and 4th grade. We have 6 and 9. The 6 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come in other two cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining. 1 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Seventh grade, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 8. Column C, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column B, column C, we have 8. Second row, third row also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Seventh row, column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 2, 3 and 5. The 3 numbers can't come the 2 cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then third grade, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. Third row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column H, third row, we have 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come the cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. In third grade, only one number is remaining 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column H, column I, we have 5. 10th row also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column E, column F, we have 5. Third row also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. The 5 is confirmed here. Third row and fourth row we have 5. Column C also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Column D also we have 5. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column D and fourth row we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Third row and fourth row, column E, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 9th grade. Column G, we have pair numbers 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 8th grade. Column I, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 10th row, column G, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 7. Column I, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining 8 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. we will confirm later. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Seventh row and third row we have 3, so 3 can't come these cells, 3 will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column F, we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Then 8th grade, only one number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. Third row, we already have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column F, we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8, it will come in one of the 2 cells. 7th row, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. 7th row, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. 5th row, we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8, it will come in one of the 2 cells. Column J, we already have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Column J, only one number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. Since 9 is here, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. 10th row, only one number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. Column H, only one number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. 5th row, only one number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. Column C, only one number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Column D, we already got 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here, since 2 is here, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column B, only one number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. 4th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column E, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. 4th row, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. 4th row, only one number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. Column D, only one number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.